Hi, I'm Ben, and today I'm here to ask you...
The lab coat, Professor Ben.
Hi, I'm Professor Ben, and I'm here to ask you, what if pi equaled 2? So if you've ever done anything, even slightly mathsy in your life, odds are you'll have heard of the number pi, which is roughly 3.14. But what if I told you that I'd found a proof that pi was exactly 2? To explore this further, let's go to Professor Ben's magic maths board. So, if we take a circle with a diameter of 2, we can work out the circumference using simple GCSE maths to get the circumference is 2 pi. So the red bit just has to be pi. Now, if we draw 2 circles inside and do the same thing, we get the red parts are a half pi each. So this is pi over all, and we can do this again and again, and it will continue to be pi. So we've got a bit of a problem here, which is that the red line starts to turn into the blue line, but the red line will always be pi long, and the blue line too. What have we done wrong here? The problem here is that as much as the red line will look like the blue line after time, it will never actually become it, because as we go on, the red line becomes infinitely squiggly. This is a problem because we've clearly broken a rule of maths, which is quite a common issue. Another popular example is... Oh, don't look at that! Cut! Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We experienced some minor technical difficulties. Anyway, as I was going to say, here is another popular case of breaking a rule in maths. It's a proof that 1 equals 2, which makes its fatal error in this line here, where it divides by 0. Obviously, this is the most dangerous thing to do in maths, because as any good mathematician knows, it can destroy the universe and everything in it. And while I don't think this has happened just yet, in 1997, a computer on an American battleship tried to divide by 0 and took the whole ship down. And that's not all. If somehow the rules of maths didn't work, worst case scenario? This. But the question of whether that's physically possible or not comes down to the work of many very clever people around about a century ago. But that's a story for another day. Thanks for watching, like, follow, subscribe, whatever the kids are doing these days, and see you next time.